Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, drone fans. Brace yourselves, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the biggest game changer of the year, but there's a twist. New leaks suggest mind-blowing upgrades. From a next-gen 1-inch sensor to insane flight range, yet we might be waiting longer than expected. Today, I'm breaking down every rumor, leaked spec, and insider detail about DJI's next ultralight powerhouse. If you're thinking about upgrading, you'll want to hear this first. Intro big news for drone fans. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might not arrive when we expected, and the latest leaks are giving us a completely different story. This could be the most powerful mini drone ever, but the wait might just get longer. So what's going on? Let's break down the latest rumors, insane specs, everything you need to know before the official reveal. Why it works. Instant Hook opens with big news to grab attention. Conflict, plus curiosity mixes exciting upgrades. With a delay to make viewers want the full story, promise of value tells the audience exactly what they'll get. Rumor specs. In details before launch, leaks mentions a 1-inch CMOS. Sensor with 6,000 recording, talks about redesigned. Obstacle avoidance with side plus upward sensors. Introduces Active Track 6.0 with better tracking. Hints at waypoint missions in normal mode. A long requested feature. Why it works. Insider feel phrases like according to multiple. Reliable leakers make it sound exclusive. Technical details give specific specs. Sensor size, resolution, tracking system to build credibility. Competitive edge highlights features missing in the Mini 4 Pro, giving upgrade motivation. Specs lists rumored specs: camera 1-inch 6K 30 fps. 4K 120 fps, slow-mo flight time up to 46 minutes with plus. Battery range 20 kilometers with OcuSync 4.0, weight under 249 GSM ART. Features Active Track 6.0, Master Shots 2.0, waypoint storage 8 GB internal. Why it works: easy to scan bullet points, make info digestible and retention friendly. Rumors and delay mention supply chain constraints. DJI reportedly improving low light processing. New release window late 2025, possibly October. Why it works: drama and suspense turns the delay into a perfection move rather than bad news. Future anticipation gives a specific timeline, which makes people want to follow updates. Price-based model $899, Fly More combo $1,099, slightly more expensive than Mini 4 Pro, but justified by upgrades. Specificity. Trust numbers make it feel like you have insider knowledge. Buying intent trigger, people start budgeting or comparing with rivals. OUTRO. So here's the big question. If DJI really delays the Mini 5 Pro, will you wait for it or grab one of the new rivals like the Autel Evo Nano to instead? Let me know in the comments. And if you want every leak and update as it drops, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications because the DJI Mini 5 Pro hype train has just left the station. So, what's your move are you holding out for? The DJI Mini 5 Pro, no matter how long the delay? Or will you grab a rival drone while you wait? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'm replying to as many as I can. And if you want to stay ahead of every leak and official update, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications because the DJI Mini 5 Pro story is just getting started, and you won't want to miss the next chapter.